I know a lot of people often complain of not being able to get relevant articles on Google Scholar, but it's not a sin not to know how to, but it's a sin to not learn how to. So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Detail. I'm a registered nurse and I love to research. I know a lot of people often complain of not being able to get relevant articles on Google Scholar, but it's not a sin not to know how to, but it's a sin to not learn how to. So today I'm going to be talking about how to use Google Scholar to search for relevant articles online. But before we go right into it, please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel below. So the first thing you want to do when checking for papers online on Google Scholar is to type Google Scholar and search for it. So then imagine the topic you want to research about is bed bath procedure. So I'm putting bed bath procedure. Then I'm going to be using the second topic that appeared as a guide to explain clearly. So now, if you notice, we have different lines. So moving forward, the first thing you want to check is that you can see that this article, the first two lines are called the bibliographic information. While the first line talks about the journal title, the second line talks about the author's name, the journal's name, the year of publication, and the publisher. So the next thing is to click on the topic so you can access the document, so you can see various information about this particular article. So this is the title, the name of the author, the journal title, the volume, the issue, and the year of publication. Scrolling down, you can view this document at this site provided, where you can get the PDF, which is already indicated. So below this document, there are various information. We have the cited by. So the information is that this article has been cited by 16 other articles, and also we have related articles. So let's go back to the initial page. So if you look at this article that is provided, you can see at your right hand side, you see the PDF Academia. So instead of clicking the topic, you can also directly access the document by clicking on this PDF Academia. Then you get the document directly. So that's just the essence of that in front. It's showing you that the available document is in PDF format on this site. So one thing I used to do for people who are busy, you know that Google Scholar might not provide like a already formed reference for you. So you can pick informations here. There are available informations where you can pick together to form your reference. But if you don't have time, you can just copy the topic of this document and paste it on PubMed. PubMed will bring out the reference for you. So in that way, you save time. So another thing I want to address is the year of publication. So most of our assignments, presentation, and researches have a time frame that your articles have to be from. So this at your upper right corner, you could see that we have there. So this here is just showing you that you can limit the articles you want to find to different years. For instance, if your assignment was given for 2019, all you just have to do is to go to the year, search for 2019, click on it, so it will bring articles within that year range upward for you, so 2019 to 2023. Or if you don't mind getting any article, maybe you want to sort by relevance, so you can just do sort by relevance. Or if you want to customize the range, you can also do that as well. Lastly, just a brief explanation on how to use the cited by. So the cited by contains articles that have referenced this research work, and most likely they are articles from the year of that paper upward. So in case you are looking for recent articles, you can just use the cited by to search for your articles. So thank you all for listening and watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and follow this channel. Thank you.